Hello and welcome. Today I'll be your guide to superior services and support from Thermo Fisher Scientific. Hop in. Make sure to keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Why the long face?
My system's been down and I'm on the bottom of the list for a service visit from an engineer.
Ooh, with our service plans, you move up the list and we can get you up and running twice as fast, taking you from this to this. I love my job. How do you like them apples? That's 35 years in running. We have the largest service support network with over 1 million customer interactions annually, providing the best instrument support in the industry. Here on your right, you'll see an instrument that was serviced by one of our manufacturer-trained and certified field service engineers. We make sure the people working on your instruments fix them right the first time.
What? I can fix instruments too?
Looks like a lab of the past. Let's bring them into the future, shall we? With our augmented reality service tools, we can help to resolve your instrument issues remotely, maximizing your uptime. With smart remote support, you can show our engineers what you are seeing in real time, or even let them navigate your desktop remotely. Technology for the win. So, as you can see, Thermo Fisher Scientific is helping to make instrument downtime a thing of the past. Because science can't wait.